Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial video on the Thrive YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a VRChat account on the VRChat website. And this is going to go along with another video that I'm going to do right after this, which is how to merge your VRChat account and your Meta account to get the most out of the VRChat experience. So you can see I'm on the VRChat website here. So you're going to go down to this button. Now, I am on my PC. It may be different if you're trying to do this on phone, but more than likely it'll be the same. So you're going to go down to the create an account button. This is my account, which I don't know why I put that email in. Luckily, it doesn't show my password. Okay, so it's going to tell you to put in a display name. So I'm just going to do something like um, black, no, um, great job, 123. And then it's going to have you put in an email. So we're going to do the one that we use for the gallery, just as an example email. And then the password I'm just going to do as Thrive123. And then you're going to re-enter that password. Make sure those two passwords match. Then it's going to have you do a date of birth. I'm just going to do mine, July 19, 2000. And then you have to check these two boxes to read and agree. Click that box to confirm that you are a human. Just let you guys look over this here. So this is the display name. This is the email. Your password, July 19th, 2000. And then you'll click create an account. Okay, so apparently the password needs to be more secure than that. So let's do T Thrive hashtag 1234. That should be more secure. Make sure that those passwords match. They do. Check that you are a human and create. Okay, so now it's going to create. I'm not going to say the password. So what you have to do is go to the your email, which I'm not going to show in this video, but it's going to be the email that you just put in there to sign up. And it's going to confirm your email address. So that's what I'm doing currently on my phone. And then once that is confirmed, you can click OK. I've verified my email. And it says your email's been updated. So now I'm in the new VRChat account that I just created. And that is how you create the VRChat account on the VRChat website. And then right after this, if you could go watch the other video that like I said, that I'm about to make, and that will show you guys how to merge this new account with a Meta account. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Well, no, I usually do that for my videos because I also run a YouTube channel. But thank you guys for watching this video. Um, Follow for more from the Thrive group. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.